The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Yes, me there here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. I'm just letting you know about some things that happened, alright? Now, I got information about an incident where it is said that a licensed firearm holder shot and injured two persons. According to information that I got, it is said that the incident happened at a place that is known as Ligani, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that's within the country of Jamaica, and the incident happened on the 9th of December, the year 2021. Now, some persons might say Ligani, Kingston, Jamaica, and some might say Ligani, St. Andrew, Jamaica. However, I'm just giving you the information according to how I got the information, alright? Now, it is said that one of those persons who had been shot and injured is said to be a taxi operator, and it is said that the licensed firearm holder is a motorist. Now, according to more information that I got, it is said that the licensed firearm holder and the taxi operator was driving their motor vehicles along Old Hope Road, that's within St. Andrew, Jamaica, and it is said that at one point the licensed firearm holder confronted the taxi operator and accused him of bad driving him, the licensed firearm holder. It is said that both persons got out of their motor vehicles and they confronted each other, or they had an argument. It is said that the argument or the confrontation escalated to a point where the licensed firearm holder pulled a gun and opened fire, hitting two persons. It is said that both injured persons was taken to or went to a hospital for treatment. It is said that they are alive. I also saw videos on social media that shows some of the things that happened during and after the incident. In one of those videos, I could hear when at least one shot was fired. I did not get any confirmed information if the licensed firearm holder was taken into police custody or not. No. However, if I get any more information about the situation, I will leave a comment or comments in the comment section of this video to let you know what I know. Alright, so with that, I'm going to move on to another topic. You can let me know what you think about that situation. Now, I saw a live recording on social media, and the live recording is from a female who goes by the name of Lorraine. Now, during the live recording, Lorraine mentioned Donna's name. She also mentioned Sherika's name and other person's name as well. You understand? She also claimed that her phone had been hacked. Yeah, during the live recording, she said some things that gave me the understanding that she said that her phone had been hacked. Viewers and subscribers, she also yelled and shouted during the live recording. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to present pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, from that live recording so that you can hear some of the things that she said, and you can also let me know what you think. The reason why I am presenting pieces of audios to you from the live recording is because the live recording did not really show anything. It was dark. You understand? So I just present pieces of audios to you from that live recording. Alright? Now, she was yelling and shouting during the live recording. So before I present these pieces of audios to you, this is a warning that some of the things that have been said in these pieces of audios might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here are the pieces of audios. Take a listen, observe, tell me what you think.
Can't play everything. Everything. God got me. Only can't kill me. Only cannot kill me. Use on the mouth! And it not go away. Look at God. Look at God. I'm not a wicked person. And God revealed it this morning. Look at God. You see, as from now on, I'm going to pick up the Bible when they bet me fine over 11 years ago, and I'm going to post that Bible and I'm going to run. Yeah. Hello? Look at God. And they do all kind of something to me. And all me that try do, I reach out and help and give love. And this is the prosecution me come up under. This is everything me come up under. Yeah? See which part God make it reveal? Corruption. Thank you no. I'm leaving the life. Bet me go praise and worship my God. And run for my life. Run. my life. Me I go run my sister. God need me. God want me doing work. I'm out here tired for what I don't know. Me have to run my sister. And this is when tell me the world I'm gonna come up against me. So this is the time when God wants you and do anything to get you. And me I go run. And me I go leave them. Cause you have the judgment should be the portion. Judgment shall be them portion. Yeah.
Wow. You hear what I want, my people? Eh? Listen. Listen.
I be do a good to my heart, good to my soul, good to love. And to come round and build, and build against me. Me not do none of nothing. None of all no. Nobody me not do no wickedness. If you know me, me give me heart. Me give me heart. That's what me do. I'm gonna go pay at the wall of no. Gracie, Stinking Sean, Ashanti, the wall of no. Then I go right down. We send the money to do all of this to me. A big money pay. I'm gonna go reach out to no. Cause it start. My God, now go let me down. And now go let me down. Remember me tell you that. Watch. This is the time I'm gonna run for my life. Yeah. Cause my sister God want me in him kingdom. And improve it and him reveal it. When you see with spark corruption come burn down, right here so. When that try to do it, for disgrace me and God just send mercy walk in. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Mercy walk in. Hello, who this? Look how you do me. On hack my phone. I want to take out everything out of the phone. And then on turn around with on lying tongues. And Lorraine send Sherika this. Lorraine send this. God not sleep. Him a go bring on down. Some of you end up in a prison. Some of you go end up all kind of place. Dead out. Some of you go blind and dumb. Let me tell you this. My eye water now go in vain. And so God has started to show me, say, trust me, my daughter. Me tell you when them hack your phone. And me tell three somebody, but me tell you who me tell. Me can call the three of them right now on my live. And ask them, didn't I tell you no? When my phone hack, God show me it. When me and saw my friend send it out, no friend never do nothing. Hack them, hack my phone.
Okay.
Hack them, hack it. Yeah, look at God. Now worry on yourself, for no judgment to come. Hello? Yeah. Look at God. At the world God shall come up against me now. So no send out this advice. No send out that device. Cause everybody wanna get a taste. Say Lorraine is a wicked person. I love me give people. Me chibo when you meet me, when me give you.
Good morning, Lorraine.
Me I feel like I want one of them is safe. Me one of them me kill them, you know. You might take a drive me. I feel like I drive go Brooklyn, New York and stand up in the square and wait for them.
Lorraine, they're not worth it. They're not worth it. They're not worth your time. They're not worth your time. You're bigger than
Michibo, I love me the people, you know. Love.
And I know,
that me know.
and I know that. I know that. I want to send shout out to Sharika for coming to speak the truth, because people needed to see what we knew was going on all along, and now the world knows what's going on. I just hope and pray that she stays safe.
I'm gonna go keep her. Lorraine, God send her out for help Lorraine, so God I go keep her and tell me all of this. Me just never know when, but him show me it. Why wouldn't me always let on burn down corruption? Yes. See it up on Lorraine platform. A platform where me don't want.
Lorraine, I want to send a message out to Maxine, and I'm going to warn her, send her a special warning. Do not send text messages to my phone anymore. Do not call my phone. My phone is a government-issued cell phone, and everything that's on my phone will be recorded. So that's the only thing that I want to say. You know, shout out to you for speaking the truth. You knew the truth all along. We all know the truth. But God's going to keep you,
Yeah.
just like He's going to keep Sharika. And all is going to be well. I never doubted
Mitchie,
that
let me
you
step
put
right
my
in.
information out there.
Let me step right in. I done nothing wrong. Nothing
I
wrong.
know that.
Okay, you hear when Gracie says she pay big money, the Indian them go through and get everything out of my phone.
I never doubted you. When I got the messages last night, I never doubted.
Because them want you to cuss me now, and them send it to this,
No.
for this, and let me tell you something. Look at God, me I run for my
That
life.
will never happen. The love oversees all. That would never happen. All I did was I forwarded to you and I said, Lorraine, what's going on? And that was it. But, shout out to yourself. Give yourself credit. Don't let them drive you crazy. They're not worth it. Go on to your show, my sister. We'll talk later. Love you.
Big up yourself. Love you, my sister. When you meet me, don't love me, show you. When you meet me husband, when him show you, him that look you, no love him, show you, because that's what we know. We's a couple of love. We know, because we grow hungry, we know to treat people good and show them love. Love. Why only think me stress for love? Eh?
Exactly.
When I try to paint me like me's a bad person. Me's not a bad person.
It's a good day, my sister. Just lodge up yourself. Don't let them get to you. They're not.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
All right, my sister. Eh? When you come round, and you go all kind of way, and you do all kind of something, when you nah bring me down, cause see it, God send somebody come help fight the battle. Him say it is not mine. Leave it. Him show me everything what you do to me. Everything. Him show me it. Me have 3 sisters can call, any one of them can call and say, yes, Lorraine, you talk it. And me did talk it before. Couple months, me I go beg my sister look for the live there. When God come the Thursday morning, I will never forget it about 5 o'clock. After me done prayer and say the world. When me say, the world gonna come up against you. Last night when Mitchell send the message to me say, is this make sense? Would I send out them here? Them here make sense? Them here make sense? Eh? But see it there, mercy walk in. Mercy walk in. I hope you not send for the Dan woman now and ask question. Bye. Let me come off of the live. Bye. Mercy walk in. And thanks to that recipient, and not even, thank God first. Because him that figure the courage, because you know we have to go prayer up now. And let me tell you this, anything wrong with her, you say me broke, you go and know if me broke. Any one of them, nothing wrong with, you go and know if me broke. Any one of them. Because the recipient alone reach out to me, so them have whole heap of voice note I go play. Because whole heap of regular people from Mountain View reach out to Lorraine, so now go hear them the roll out, because them have them. They have them. So now go hear all kind of people from Mountain View who reach out to Lorraine for sure how powerful Lorraine is. Them believe in a Lorraine. Hello, me on the live here. Give me 10 minutes because I know you're not called for the live. You want to go up on the live? No. Yeah, them ask me something when make me upset with my good friend when it's not she. Yeah, them act it. That's why you see them say December 1st and December this, cause them know what them a do. But God, let me tell you something. At one point, me da go take the line of me and you know. But then God said no. Sorry, mom. Yeah, man. Yeah, and she do it. She said she pay big money. People must listen to live there. And when she depend, the Indian them. And this morning me realize. No, them remember me tell you say me an idiot, them bad pa hacking. So when me start Google and Google start show me the way it go. I'm going there, cause I make a report, cause I tell on upon public live. I'm gonna hurt one of them. I'm going to hurt one of them. This is the only time me da look and go for me. Cause I go hurt one of them. Remember, man, I'm not save the life here, you know. The only way me not hurt one of them, me have to run to God, you know. But I'm going to hurt one of them for wickedness. Wickedness. I swear to me, I say it publicly. You know this hurt? When me go out there, me try for even help Dana. I never, if you don't listen to my voice note, them will go out there. None of them can say me have nothing bad saying about Dana. Never say nothing bad about her. Cause, Mom, you ever hear me? Alright, all of the voice note record them where the wicked them a play out there, where them at my phone and get. When you hear me say nothing bad about the woman? Never yet. Never. Them curse her, Gracie cuss her. Mr. Gracie call all me phone a ball out Dana whatsoever. You know what I said to that girl? Gracie, call Dana, ask her why you can't post. If I you bust her and beg people know her. Right? She said she can't get her. Me say call Paula and try get her. God kill me. Me now come out here so we no lie. And them me say I feel them tongue rise up when them call and I chat the woman, you know. Even when them a chat her, me no give them the time for chat the woman, you know. Cause the only thing me can chat her say she's wicked to help people. And then turn around, beat them and box the food out of them out. Of course I will say it and take no apology saying it. And disrespect them. Of course I will say so. When them come on my phone and I talk all kind of things about her, you know. And me I tell them how to go about it, you know. Remember the man in that hungry. Yes, so she a leak. A judgment a reach her, you know. Judgment a reach her. You see when he get up on body wet, a judgment can no man no want it. So I can't discharge. Yeah man, and you see where God carry it? Right here so. A platform where them a kill me for when me no want. Me no want it. Him say me bad mind, me go play for him record and I go say who bad mind. Cause all thing them can do, you know, is talk on social media, you know. Any one of them just come in for the corner. Sure. Yeah man, look, you see where God carry it? Look at God. Mom, Monday morning or Tuesday morning, me lie down. Me tell you say when 5 o'clock, that's when my midnight come. That's when God visit me. Cause me tell you all me prayer. Me get up, me pray, me drink my water, and me read my Bible. So when me lie down back, God come. And he show me, cause me mad with the friend, you know. And he say, your phone has been hacked. He even show me the image of who do it. And who do it. Him show me the image of them. And instant me call one sister. And me say, sister, the phone hack. The phone hack. Them here were out there. The phone hack. But listen, it may be hacked for a reason. Because them think them a do me something. Them not do me nothing, you know. Because them say me broke, but me can't help myself. Them come on my platform and talk all kind of mad things about this woman. All when me I say, no, man, I want to see the woman away. No, you a class, and you in a style, and you a do this, and them same one come round, and I do me this. Me I go post them record. Because you see why sometimes it's safe, it's good for me, safeguard myself, and me tell them some love cover myself. Me tell them that. Oh, people wicked so. Boy, me no know, I know. Me no know if she take me phone, cause she's a wicked bitch too, you know. Me no know if she take me phone, cause you see when me asleep, me's a dead lamb. No, but yes, them have them for true, them at the phone. That's why them listen what them say. December and see it a play out. Like it look like when them pay feet, them tell them say them a go get them the ending of November to December. That's why them say December and say the whole light a come. But who be on to uno? Because of money. Cause uno not, me the only one not take nothing off of the platform here. And when them a force me, him dep on pen cash up. Me say me no want it. Me no hungry. Yeah, she talk it. She said she paid big money. But no. But God show me the image too. The mastermind behind it. Him show me it. Me tell you now from what he said there's another Kevin. Another Kevin dep on the internet who go obstruct it. So you know what me I do? Take away myself. Cause watch, he go and obstruct the whole of them. Yeah.
John, know people, if somebody hacking our phone still now, and serious sitting that still now. That's not joking thing, my people. You see me I say? Yeah, man. And at first, me I hear about these hacking things and so forth, and all them kind of sitting there. John, know, this thing I really and truly escalate, you know? And the bag of arguing on social media, I don't know what to say, but, you know, there seems to be too much tension on social media. And some people then come let them love it. You see, all this thing between Miss Dana and Sherika is another thing that I get a whole heap of attention. You understand? Because all of that entwine a little bit in this whole thing that the female talk about in the live recording or the piece of audio. Let me just present it to you people. So it's a whole bungle of plot getting thicker thing. So me I say, some people, all I can say is be careful of online hackers, you know. Try stay safe. Avoid arguments and confrontation. You know, yeah, whether you want to be online or offline, just try to live good overall. Yeah, for you live good, everything good. Allow me to tell. Anyways, let me know what you think about those pieces of audios. Just let you know about an incident that happened within Ligani. That's within country of Jamaica. Yeah, alright. So yes, I'm going to leave it big up and respect each and everyone until the next time. If you're new to my channel, do not be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see?
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.